LeFan, welcome back to another video. So today I'm just gonna do like a random video, but it's like a vlog or something. But if you guys didn't know, I actually got some birds. Look, hold on a second. Like I got two, but one of them flew away. This one name is Bluey. When I got her, she couldn't fly, but you guys can see her tail is growing longer, so she can be able to fly. And I had one, the name was Maverick. My little brother opened the cage and let him just fly away when I wasn't home. But I no, not when I wasn't home actually, sorry. When I was sleeping. My little brother went out there, opened the cage, the guy flew away. But this one stayed because he couldn't fly then. So yeah. I'm just gonna do like a random vlog today. I'm probably gonna go jump on the trampoline in the backyard. And I'll probably do an experiment, I'll see. And yeah, I'll see you guys next one. Oh, actually guys, if you guys want me to do like videos and that, comment it down below so I can read your comments, answer it if you like it. And yeah, I'll do the vlogs that you told me to do. Just comment it down below and I'll do it for you, okay? Let's get on to the next episode again. Alright guys, so I'm on the trampoline now, as you guys can see. I'm just gonna try doing like some stuff. Like, just do a back to show. And now we do like a front flip. Probably a foot twist. Oh, let me get that one, Papa. Let's do back 180. Got that one. Fronty 180. Got that one. Maybe a side flip. Woo! Alright. Let's jump on to the next step and probably do a scooter check, shall we? Okay. Alright guys, so basically I'm actually going to do a scooter check, but I actually had to shower my little brother first, like dressing up and all that. So this is my little brother. So hi Lade. It's a camera. It's for my vlog. How old are you?
5.
What?
5 years old.
You're 5 years old?
No.
No, you're 3 years old. Come on! Are you shy? Huh? He's shy. Every time like he's in front of like a camera or something, he goes like and gets like shy and that. You like?
Yeah.
Yeah. Go high five the camera. High five it. Yeah, that's my boy. Do you want to do a scooter check with me?
Yeah.
Alright guys, let's do a scooter check. I actually got my scooter right here. Quick glimpse. Oh. And yeah, I got my scooter right here and we'll do a scooter check. Quickly. Alright, let's go. In my hands, I got the Envy Reapers V3. Like the big use to the max. So like this, both of them are very bent if you guys cannot tell. Sorry if the camera's like on an angle. This is just like because it's only like a V position. So I got the Envy Reapers V3. I mean V2s, what I'm talking about. V2s in black, it's bent. And I got the Envy Prodigy Oil Sleep Clamp. It's a double clamp, so it's good. And I got the tennis grips. You can get it from like your nearest sports shop. Like if you're in Australia, you can get it from Rebel and all that. And or like from Big W or something. I got mine from Big W. That's pretty good. I got my Root Industry 110 wheels. They're the 110s. Yeah, in gold, and I got the NBA Prodigy S5 fork and an Apex headset, but I just put a black clamp, like black top cap on top of the headset, so it can suit. Because the NBA Prodigy, the Apex one was purple, but it kept going like that. Hey, stop!
I'm playing it that.
No, hold on, okay? Anyway, so I got the Epic Artifact, yeah. I actually got it from my friend. Shout out to him. But I spray painted it like white on this side and then red on this side. I got like opposite sides on the sides. Like I put red on the opposite side. Like on the white, if you don't know what I mean. There, that looks pretty good. You guys can see under. Looks alright, eh? And I actually got this. I don't actually know what this wheel's called. I think it's called like a Euro or something. Comment down below if you guys can see that. This wheel right here. Comment it down below. And yeah, that's about it. Thank you guys for watching so much. My scooter check. This vlog is kind of like random, something like that. So like random. Alright guys, thank you for watching my scooter check. And let's actually try getting to 500 subscribers. Share this video if you enjoyed. Show your family, and if tell them like to watch my videos. If you don't want to, don't force them. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to this channel. Follow my Instagram. I'll put it down in the link below. And thank you guys for watching so much. See you soon, fam.